Welcome everybody, today I will be reviewing the HP Victus 15L gaming desktop. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out. At the core of the HP Victus 15L lies the Intel 16-core i7-13700F processor, which delivers staggering speeds, with a turbo frequency of up to 5.2 GHz. This makes it a powerhouse for gaming, video editing, and other CPU-heavy tasks. The 16 cores ensure smooth multitasking even during the most demanding applications, and the performance is further enhanced by the 32 GB of RAM, making the system ready to tackle anything from high-end gaming to intensive creative workloads. Equipped with the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4068 GB graphics card, the HP Victus 15L takes your gaming experience to the next level. The RTX 4060 brings ray tracing and DLSS technology to your games, delivering incredible visuals and ultra-smooth frame rates. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or diving into creative projects like video rendering or 3D modeling, the RTX 4060 provides the muscle needed for outstanding graphical performance. The HP Victus 15L gaming desktop delivers exceptional performance, all housed in a sleek and modern design. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or a multitasker looking for top-tier performance, this desktop offers everything you need. With its powerful specs and advanced features, it's no wonder this machine is being called a game-changer in the world of gaming PCs. With 1 TB SSD storage, the HP Victus 15L offers lightning-fast boot-up times and quick access to your files. The SSD helps reduce loading times during gaming and increases system responsiveness, giving you an edge when multitasking or switching between applications. In terms of connectivity, the desktop is well equipped. It includes 4 super-speed USB-A ports, a USB-C port, 4 USB 2.0 ports, and 1 HDMI 1.4B for easy connection of peripherals like gaming controllers, printers, or external monitors. Additionally, 1 VGA port and 1 RJ45 Ethernet port ensure compatibility with older monitors or wired networks, making it a versatile choice for various setups. The HP Victus 15L doesn't just stop at performance, it also provides immersive sound with 5.1 surround sound. This is perfect for gaming and movie watching, adding depth to your audio experience. Furthermore, Bluetooth 5.3 ensures fast and stable wireless connections with compatible peripherals like wireless headphones, mice, or speakers. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, the HP Victus 15L brings you the latest features and enhanced security. Windows 11's redesigned interface, along with its performance optimizations, makes it a great fit for both gaming and work. The HP Victus 15L gaming desktop is a powerful, well-rounded machine that's perfect for gamers, creators, and power users who need a desktop capable of handling demanding workloads. With its Intel Core i7 processor, Nvidia RTX 4060 GPU, and 32 GB of RAM, this desktop is built to last and will easily handle any task you throw at it. Whether you're into gaming, streaming, or content creation, this desktop delivers fantastic performance and reliability. If you're looking for a gaming desktop that offers both raw power and modern design, the HP Victus 15L is an excellent choice. Discounted Amazon links in the description, don't miss out.